G.L.Aaradhya. I am on screen once again to bring an interesting topic to you, which is World Environment Day. Watch the video till the end to find an interesting question. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day is to spread awareness. The awareness is about the conservation of our environment. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration and will see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Ecosystem restoration can take many forms: growing trees, greening cities, rewilding gardens, changing diets, or cleaning up rivers and coasts. What do we do on World Environment Day? On World Environment Day, we join various campaigns to spread awareness about environment protection. Moreover, we plant small saplings in barren land so that it may grow and flourish in the land area after some years. Today, as a part of World Environment Day, I would like to tell you some interesting facts about Tulsi, Aloe Vera, Neem, spider lily, curry leaves, and the king of the fruits, which is mango. This is Neem plant. Products made from Neem trees have been used in India for over a long period of time for their medicinal properties. Neem products are believed by Siddha and Ayurvedic doctors to be antifungal, anti-diabetic, antibacterial and antiviral. Neem oil is also used for healthy hair, to improve liver function, detoxify the blood and balance blood sugar levels. Neem leaves have also been used to treat skin diseases. Traditionally, slender neem twigs called datun are first chewed as a toothbrush and then split as a tongue cleaner. This is spider lily plant. Spider lily is one of the most amazing flowering plants that can easily be grown at home. They come in different colors like white, red, pink, etc. They have 4 decorative petals that come out of the lily and look like spider legs. They have tall green stems and long leaves. This is mango tree. It is referred as king of the fruits. They are a long-living tree with some specimens having been known to still bear fruit after 300 years. Mango leaves are toxic for cattle feed. Burning their leaves, wood or debris is also toxic. There are over 500 varieties throughout the world. This is Tulsi plant. It is also called as holy basil. It contains vitamin C and other antioxidants such as eugenol, which protects the heart. It thus acts as a natural immunity booster and keeps infections at bay. This is curry leaf plant. It has tiny green leaves filled with several health benefits. It has rich antioxidants. It also contains several vitamins. It is good for hair. It improves eyesight. It also nourishes the skin. It lowers the cholesterol level and is also called as stomach's best friend. Indian cuisines use curry leaf in wide range of recipes. This is aloe vera plant. It is a succulent plant that is made up of 97% water and usually grows without a stem in arid climates. It is best known for treating skin injuries, but it also has several other uses that could potentially benefit health. The water-filled tissue is called as gel. The gel contains most of the beneficial bioactive compounds in the plant, including vitamins, minerals, amino acids and antioxidants. Studies suggest that it is an effective topical treatment for first and second degree burns. It's question time. Do you know What was the theme for World Environment Day in 2020? Type your answers in comments below. I hope you learned some interesting facts about few plants and trees I found in my backyard. I request you all to help in restoring the ecosystem. Please dispose wet and dry garbage properly without polluting the environment. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.